monosexist, allosexist society has a very strict construct of love and how it's allowed to be and how it can be ranked, seen here. And so you have kids at the top, then your romantic partner or spouse, then your family, then your friends, then pets, acquaintances, whatever. And asexuals, very much like the polyamorous community, really challenges this because we don't rank love in general. We usually don't. The platonic love I experience is no different, whether the person is a family member or friend or anything like that. A common mistake that I see a lot with allo writers attempting to write ace characters is that they don't challenge this. They don't think outside this. So you have a series like Sirens where you had a quote-unquote explicitly ace character who was basically just a heterosexual love interest. All her romantic relationships were placed above her friendships if she had any. She was never shown with friends, and that drove me up a wall because I'm like, no, that's not what asexuality is like. The strict construct of love is very profitable. For example, look at the wedding industry. Look at how many commercials for dating apps you see online and on TV on a daily basis. And I think that's part of the reason why there's very few ace characters. The second a character can challenge this kind of ranking, that's automatically kind of threatening. That's why they're all of a sudden thrown into a love story. It's like now they're safe because see they love just like everybody else loves. They have partners and spouses and stuff. So let's just keep this pyramid going. It's also why asexuals are commonly viewed with pity and why people say stupid shit like, oh, I'm so sad that you'll never experience love or intimacy ever, and you'll die alone surrounded by a jillion cats, which, I prefer the cats.